All right, guys, we got a 2006 Jaguar XJ8. So next pipe there, and then we took off the glass back muffler things there, put a super tin in its place right there, dual in, dual out. Part number, I think that's an 8425154. Then you have to add a couple of sleeves to make it fit when we took those off. And then he already has a rear delete done from somebody else right there and right there. So we just continued it into his rear delete and left the back alone. Sound decibel thing is not working. No. Can't tell you how loud it is. If I had to guess, it's probably in like the 110s, 112s or something like that. I'll let you guys hear it on the inside.
What's up, exhaust addicts? I just want to let you guys know that we are located at Discount Muffler and Custom Exhaust, 3560 Dickerson Pike, Nashville, Tennessee. You can give us a call anytime at 615-612-6244. Our hours of operation are 8:30 to 4:30, Monday through Friday, Central Time. Thank you for watching and enjoy the video.
Super 10, and then muffler delete. I can't remember what year it is.